if there is a war, alam mo isang bullet ng M60, that's about 150 now. Imagine isang putok 150. Isang magazine could buy so many sacks of rice. Kaya it's a debilitating thing itong. So as much as possible, we have to talk. Now I am asking you to reconsider your paradigm about, because itong unitary type was the form set in place by the Spaniards when they were here. It's a unitary type and everything is controlled in Imperial Manila. Kaya Imperial, kasi ako nakita na dyan, even the slightest movement, kaya magpunta kayo ng Amerika, kami, we have to go to Malacañang for this and that. You have to get rid of this thing, actually. Loosen up a bit and just give to the Moro people yung resources na kanila. If you have been to Lanao, my grandmother is from there. Kaganda ng Lake Lanao. Laki. It could sustain life for everybody in Mindanao. If this could be developed, then geared to a productive and the distribution is equal, I think that I can guarantee not really a prosperous, malayo pa yan. It could never come during my time. Maybe a little bit of comfort in life. Yan lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Because I need money and we have so many expenses to share with everybody, including gera dito. I have to go to fund the military. I have to reorganize the police. I need 20,000 new soldiers. It's depleted. At ang police, I would need about 10 battalions of SAC trained to assure patahawakan mo talaga ang. I have to do all of these things, so I need really, but quite desperate to saan kukunin yung. I hate wars. Nobody wants it. Money goes out of, walang kakwinta-kwinta, patayan lang. But nandyan and it's all over the world. Baka nga ito si Kim Jong-un, tarantado. You know, if that guy, I do not think that he is ready, but he's playing with dangerous toys. Yung buang na yan. Hindi mo kakumpiyansan yung mukha. Sabi parang mabait. Ang putang ina niya, ano pala? The maniac is magkamali ito, then the Far East will become an arid land. It must be stopped, itong nuclear war, because a limited confrontation and it blows up here. Sabihin ko siya, the fallout would deplete the soil, its resources, at ayaw ko kung anong mangyari sa atin. Wala na tayong matanim na productive and all of these things. So let us all pray to God na somehow itong gago na to maano mo. But right now tayo, we're still suffering from poverty actually. Yung nakikita ko pupunta dito, yung mga stores na nasa sidewalk. Ako kaya yan ang masiguro ninyo. Lahat ng tao, mayaman o mahirap, yung elite, pati yung mga naghahawak ng lupa sa gobyerno, one is inquirer. Kung magsalita ang inquirer when they attack us in government, it is as if we are really a band of robbers out to yung